Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are absolutely thrilled to finally bring you the grand unveiling of our brand new channel. Drum roll, please. Allow us to introduce ourselves. We are the JourneyKings, your passport to adventure.
Insert introduction video.
We've been thinking about starting this channel for a while. We've always felt that the best way to really enjoy life is by traveling, and we wanted to share that idea with all of you. Perhaps you're curious about us and why you should stay tuned. Allow me to provide a brief introduction. We are a team made up of a Filipino and a German, presently residing in the stunning nation of Germany. Our shared love? You got it, traveling. Our goal is to become your ultimate source for everything related to adventure, discovery, and travel motivation. Your question might be, what do we hope to achieve with this channel, and how will it benefit both us and our viewers? Our friends and family who are aware of our passion for travel have been consistently asking us questions like, where are you off to next? Where will you be lodging? Which flight will you be on? Or when will you start your YouTube channel? With this channel, we aim to share every details of our adventures. So let us use this welcome video to express our ultimate goals. Going beyond just introducing ourselves as the JourneyKings, we want to share our vision for this channel. Goal number 1, preserving our captured memories. We are not only here to tell you about our adventures, but also to record them for our own keepsake. In this era of ever-advancing technology, we aim to create a treasure chest of memories that we can revisit anytime we want. We are all about cherishing moments, drawing inspiration, and gleaning lessons from our past escapades. As we discover and immerse ourselves in new cultures, we are also educating ourselves. We strive to develop respect for others and aspire to become better human beings. Our goal is to inspire positivity and will continuously encourage you, who is watching this and our future videos, to go and explore the world. Our second goal is, from economy to luxury, we do it all. Kay is the passionate aviation enthusiast who envisions travel through luxury almost all the time. While I, on the other hand, tend to lean towards the economy or more affordable side of things. However, this is changing. What unites us is our shared passion for finding the best travel deals. Together, we seamlessly blend the best of both worlds as we embark on journeys that take us through diverse cultures, unique heritage, and introduce us to amazing people from around the world. Please take note that we are not high-rolling individuals, nor are we wealthy. Instead, we considered ourselves smart travelers. And this is something we hope to educate the viewers as well. We want to show you how we carefully search for the finest destinations and flight options to secure the absolute best deals available. Third goal that we have is sharing the journey and inspiring you. Our experiences are your stepping stones. We've been through the nervousness of our first flight, the excitement of discovering new cultures, and the awe of exploring hidden gems. Our journey is here to educate, inspire, and empower you. We believe in the power of sharing personal stories and practical advice to help you overcome any travel jitters and make your dreams a reality. We're not just travel enthusiasts, we serve as your reliable source for in-depth hotel options and choices, detailed flight encounters, and all the essential particulars you require for your own adventures. Expect detailed insights, informations, and honest reviews from this hotel accommodations, in-depth flight experience, and more. Hoping you enhance your travel knowledge and decision making in the future. Moreover, our aspiration goes beyond just sharing our personal experiences. We aim to share valuable facts and offer exceptional insights about each destination we visit, ensuring that you are well informed and inspired when planning your own adventures. And yes, these three main goals summarize our aspirations for starting this channel. And here's a quote we live by: "You will never lose by helping others win." That's exactly what we are all about. We are firm believers that travel is a gift accessible to all, regardless of whether it's a grand adventure or even a local exploration. It's not just about the destination, it's the mindset and the determination to make your dreams come true. Remember, we are here to encourage you to dream big and work hard. If we can inspire you to step out of your comfort zone, if we can ignite that spark of wanderlust within you, then we have achieved our purpose. We have just a few requests from you all. Please, let's be kind to one another. Let's share positivity in this channel, and let's learn from one another. Please feel free to interact with us. We genuinely want to hear from you as we embark on this journey and strive to enhance it together for our best travel experience. So, as we embark on this incredible journey together, remember, we are your Journey Kings, your passport to adventure. And by the way, bonuses, you will see a lot of our travel monkeys. If this is your cup of tea and this resonates with you, if you're ready to open your heart to the world of travel, hit that subscribe button. And hey, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts for real-time updates and behind-the-scenes fun. Before we sign off, always remember, work hard and travel harder. Until next time, fellow explorers, see you on our next video. Bye for now.
Here's what I found.
Get up. As we travel the world. As we travel the world. As we travel the world.